Welcome back, Clara. Give me your umbrella. You're a little wet.
Thank you, George. The wind outside is very strong now.
Come sit down by the heater. I have a surprise for you.
Oh, I can smell it. Did you make my favorite ginger tea?
Yes, it is hot and fresh. Drink it to stay warm.
Delicious! You are the best husband in the world, George.
Did you find everything we need for the family dinner?
Yes, I bought chicken, potatoes, carrots, and some hot soup.
Wonderful. The children will be very happy this weekend.
I talked to our daughter while walking to the car. She is coming early.
Excellent. I will clean the dining room tomorrow morning.
We can cook the meal together. It will be fun.
Look outside. The rain is getting heavier. I am glad you are home.
Me too. There is no place better than a warm home on a rainy day.
My dear, and take some rest now.
Thank you, George. Let's just relax and watch the rain together.